Meet Dominic, a typical kid navigating the monotony of school. Every day, he trudges through a seemingly endless cycle of uninspiring lectures, textbooks thick as bricks, and the ever-present drone of the teacher's voice. As the clock ticks, his creativity wilts within the confines of rigid curriculum and standardized tests. The fluorescent lights flicker against the beige wall, casting a sterile glow over the rows of tired faces. All daydreaming of adventure and excitement outside those confining walls. Even the most intriguing subjects lose their allure as they're squeezed into the unrelenting schedule, drained of the spark that could ignite a passion. Dominic yearns for a spark of real-world relevance or a chance to explore his unique interests. But the system seems determined to snuff out any hint of excitement that deviates from the script. The bell rings, echoing the same familiar routine. And Dominic wonders if there's more to education than this dull procession. Amidst this sea of disinterest, there's Miss Williams, the teacher who once believed in the transformative power of education. She entered the profession with a genuine passion for inspiring young minds and nurturing their curiosity. However, as the years have passed, she finds herself caught in a disheartening paradox. The same system she hoped to change now constrains her creativity and dedication. She longs to engage her students with meaningful discussions and innovative teaching methods, but the pressure to meet standardized benchmarks and the unending administrative tasks overshadow her original purpose. The system's constraints hold her back, leaving her feeling like a disillusioned guide in a maze of missed opportunities. And in the bureaucratic maze, Dr. Ramirez, an administrator, battles to break free and create a thriving learning environment. Yearning to bridge the gap between policy and reality, she envisions a vibrant educational community where students and teachers can flourish. But red tape and administrative demands often confine her aspirations. The purpose of the Human Restoration Project is restoring humanity to education. We believe in fostering a human-centered systems approach that revitalizes and rehumanizes the educational experience for students and adults alike. Through our research-backed, informed guidance and collaborative effort with students, teachers, and administrators, we are actively shaping the narrative of public schools. We recognize the incredible, often untapped potential within these institutions, and our goal is to unlock it by reimagining and transforming the very systems that underpin them. We aren't just revolutionizing education, we're restoring the very essence of what it means to learn and teach. Let's step into the reimagined school where Dominic thrives as a student. Here, interdisciplinary learning sparks his curiosity as he explores connections between subjects that inspire his creativity. The emphasis on holistic growth over grades and tests nurtures his love for learning, and his contributions and interests are celebrated. With a curriculum focused on purpose and joy, Dominic flourishes, knowing that education is a journey of self-discovery in collaboration with community and the world outside the walls of school. Miss Williams finds her passion anew, embracing innovative teaching methods and collaborative projects rooted in research-backed frameworks. She guides her students to explore their interests deeply. Freed from the constraints of the old system, Miss Williams rediscovers her purpose: to ignite lifelong learning in her students and foster a genuine love for education. Meanwhile, Dr. Ramirez, as an administrator in this reimagined school, collaborates with educators to shape a purpose-driven system. Her role transforms into a facilitator of meaningful change. So why a donation drive? Well, by being upfront about our budget, we aim to build trust and foster a strong community of backers who share our vision. We believe in the power of openness, and with your contribution, you're helping us maintain this organization and continue to restore humanity to education. Here's a quick summary of our financial situation. Our income sources are donations, grant funding, and professional development. We don't generate a profit on our other endeavors like our conferences, resources, and videos. We're funded through 2024, but are currently reliant on potential grant funding to stay afloat. Our only major expense is payroll. The only two full-time employees at HRP, Nick and Chris, each make $55,000 a year. And last year, 92% of our funding was used toward expenses. That's payroll, website fees, transcription services, and more. In other words, every dollar counts. Human Restoration Project is a 501c3 public charity, and your donation will receive tax deduction benefits in the United States. Our EIN is 84-375-3948. As a bonus, all donor gifts are produced by Raygun, ethically sourced, sustainably made here in the Midwest, and the largest union clothing chain in the United States. And as I can vouch, the shirts are also very, very comfortable. So thanks so much for watching, and thanks for your donation.